Dear friends, welcome to my channel Visa Queries. The topic for today's video is requesting emergency US visa appointment twice. As per the USCIS rule book, there is only one rule which has a direct bearing on seeking a second emergency visa appointment. The rule states applicants who are granted an expedited appointment but subsequently refused a visa at the US Embassy or Consulate will not be allowed to utilize this option to obtain another expedited appointment. Also, as per the USCIS rulebook, an emergency US visa appointment is available only in 5 situations. Medical needs. Purpose of travel is to obtain urgent medical care or to accompany a relative or employer for urgent medical care. Funeral or death. Purpose of travel is to attend the funeral of or make arrangements for repatriating the body of an immediate family member. Urgent business travel. Purpose of travel is to attend to an urgent business matter where the travel requirement could not be predicted in advance. Students or exchange visitors. Purpose of travel is to begin or resume a valid program of study in the United States within 60 days when no regular visa appointments are available. ESTA denied. You may request an expedited visa appointment if you are a citizen of a visa waiver program partner but have received notice that you are no longer eligible to travel to the United States under that program. There are very stringent documentation requirements to prove your qualification for an emergency visa appointment as per the categories listed above. In case you fail to provide the documentation, it will have an adverse impact on your visa application. Also, as per the USCIS rule book, travel for the purpose of attending weddings and graduation ceremonies, assisting pregnant relatives, participating in an annual business, academic, professional conference, or enjoying last-minute tourism does not qualify for expedited appointments.